Hello and welcome back to our channel Bright Knowledge Healthy Living, where we explore the wonders of culinary delights and delve into the fascinating world of nutritious foods. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to unearth the hidden treasures of a humble vegetable that has been a beloved staple on dinner tables for centuries, the potato. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about potatoes? Well, my friends, you're about to discover the remarkable health benefits that lie beneath that unassuming exterior. Join us as we peel back the layers of this versatile tuber and reveal the wealth of nutrients and advantages it brings to our plates and our bodies. In this video, we'll be uncovering the nutritional powerhouse that lies within potatoes. From essential vitamins and minerals to their role in promoting heart health and aiding digestion, you'll be amazed at the wealth of goodness packed into this everyday vegetable. We'll also explore how potatoes serve as a wholesome source of energy, providing fuel to keep us going throughout the day. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply need a boost of sustained vitality, the potato has you covered. But that's not all. Did you know that potatoes can also be an ally in weight management? That's right, we'll be sharing some surprising insights on how incorporating potatoes into your diet can actually aid in your weight loss journey. And wait till you hear about the skincare benefits of potatoes. We'll reveal how this versatile vegetable can work wonders for your skin, leaving you with a radiant and youthful glow. If you're as excited as we are to uncover the hidden treasures of potatoes, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss a single serving of our fascinating food explorations. Let's dig into the world of potatoes together. When we think of potatoes, the first thing that often comes to mind is a humble side dish or a hearty bowl of mashed potatoes. However, potatoes are much more than just a delicious comfort food. This versatile vegetable has been a dietary staple for centuries and boasts an array of surprising health benefits. In this video, we will delve into the remarkable advantages of potatoes, shedding light on their nutritional value and the various ways they contribute to our well-being. Packed with essential nutrients. Potatoes are a nutrient powerhouse, offering an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral vital for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function. Additionally, potatoes provide vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Other nutrients found in potatoes include vitamin B6, fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, all contributing to overall health and well-being. A wholesome source of energy. Being a starchy vegetable, potatoes are an ideal source of energy. The carbohydrates present in potatoes break down into glucose, providing a steady and sustained release of energy. This makes potatoes an excellent choice for athletes and individuals with active lifestyles, as they can fuel the body and aid in post-workout recovery. Promotes digestive health. Potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps prevent constipation, supports regular bowel movements, and promotes a healthy gut environment by nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Including potatoes in your diet can contribute to better digestion and overall gut health. Supports heart health. Surprisingly, potatoes can also have a positive impact on heart health. Potatoes contain compounds known as curcumin, which have been linked to reducing blood pressure levels. Moreover, the high potassium content in potatoes helps regulate blood pressure, further reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. However, it's essential to prepare potatoes healthily, avoiding excessive frying or adding unhealthy toppings. Aids in weight management. Contrary to popular belief, when consumed in moderation and prepared healthily, potatoes can be a valuable ally in weight management. Due to their high fiber content, potatoes can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Opt for baked or boiled potatoes instead of fried options to keep the calorie count in check. Supports skin health. Potatoes offer a variety of vitamins and minerals that promote healthy skin. Vitamin C, in particular, aids in collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. You can even apply raw potato slices to your skin to reduce inflammation and soothe sunburns. Economical and easily accessible. One of the significant benefits of potatoes is their accessibility and affordability. Potatoes are grown in abundance in many regions worldwide, making them a staple food for countless communities. This availability ensures that a nutritious and cost-effective food source is readily accessible to people of all socio-economic backgrounds. Conclusion. The humble potato has proven itself to be much more than just a starch-laden side dish. From providing essential nutrients and supporting heart health to aiding digestion and promoting skin health, the benefits of potatoes are truly remarkable. However, it's essential to consume potatoes in moderation and prepare them healthily to fully reap their advantages. So, whether you enjoy them mashed, roasted, or boiled, be sure to incorporate this versatile vegetable into your diet and embrace the wealth of benefits it has to offer. We hope this journey into the world of potatoes has left you inspired to incorporate this versatile vegetable into your diet. Remember, whether you prefer them mashed, baked, boiled, or fried, there's a delicious and nutritious potato dish for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and discovered something new about the amazing potato, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Don't forget to comment down below with your favorite potato recipe or any potato-related experiences you'd like to share. If you want to join us on more exciting food adventures and uncover the nutritional wonders of other ingredients, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We can't wait to explore more culinary delights with you. As always, thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep discovering the incredible benefits that nature has to offer. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Take care, and see you in the next video.